So you should be very, very careful. Don't go to hear any Mayavadi. There are many Mayavadis in the dress of Vaishnava. See, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has explained about them that evo to ek kolir chala, nake tilok golaye mala. That here is a follower of Koli, although he has got a tilak on the nose and neck beads, but he is a Koli chala. If he is Mayavadi, সহজ ভজন করছে মানুষ সঙ্গে লয়ে পরের বালা. So these things are there. You have come to Vrindavan. Be careful, very careful. Mayavadi bhashya sune. There are many Mayavadis here, many so-called tilak mala, but they do not know what is there inside.